is doing her true nature in this video that you'll see here really soon here. My brothers and sisters, Lilly doing her true nature in this video. Lilly is doing her true nature for what her ancestors have been doing to African American people and black people for 6,000 years. My brothers and sisters, here we go, Lilly is going to risk everything, even her job, just to do her true nature in this video. Here we go, Lilly is doing her true nature for what her forefathers have been doing for 6,000 years. My brothers and sisters, here we go, and here is a statement from her job of what they said about her employment. My brothers and sisters, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and other social media platforms too. My brothers and sisters, here we go, and here is Lilly's job and what they said about her doing her true nature in this video, which is using the N-word. My brothers and sisters.
Oh.